testing a bit the modes in video, GoPro Hero 6, and this is the mode called linear. So I will make 3 pieces of video in 3 different modes facing the same position, this position. So let's change for another one. Cheers. Hello again. This is the wide mode, facing the same position again. And we can see the difference between linear and the wide. So that's it. And now I'm going to change to the other one, Hello again. And this is again facing the same position, in this case wearing the mode super view. So we have 3 modes facing exactly the same position, so we can see the differences. Now I'm going to turn around with this a little bit. It's a lovely cloudy day. Well, it's a very hot summer day with some clouds in the sky. Looks like there is a possibility of having a storm, a thunderstorm later on. This is super view mode. I cannot analyze exactly the differences very well in these different modes in the screen of the camera, because it's a very small thing. But I will analyze this very well in the computer when I have time. Now I'm going to turn around as well in another mode, in the other modes. Cheers. Right, so now we are in wide again, and we are turning around in wide again, as we did in super view. Backwards. A very good thing in this camera is its own stabilizing system. Very, very good compared to the Hero 5 and even to other big cameras that I have. Okay, so now let's turn around again in the linear position. Cheers. Right, and now we are recording in linear mode, turning around as well. Very interesting for me to analyze these 3 things, because I really need to study it in exactly in the same position, doing the same thing, so we can see and choose the mode we prefer for this kind of shots. The sky is very beautiful today because it's really blue, and these beautiful clouds on top of me. I'm going to be here today for 12 hours plus. I have been already 8 hours, and I will be another 4 hours here. And of course not because I like this position very nice, but very well, but or very much, but because someone is paying me to be here. That's easy, understandable. It's very hot, maybe around 35 Celsius today here, but it's a bit windy. As you can see, the the branches of the vineyards are moving. It's a bit windy, so that makes the nearly 35 degrees quite easy to deal with. I just finished my lunch, a short break for lunch, half an hour, 30 minutes, and I will work for more 4 hours. That means I will have a few more dollars at the end of the day. In this case, euros. I'm in love with euros, you know, that's why I work so hard. Lovely, isn't it? The views are beautiful. So this is linear or linear mode. We had already the other ones, the wide mode and super mode. And so I will analyze on computer, and so I will check which one gives me the more real view compared to how I can see it with my eyes. No, maybe it's linear, the one that gives it, I don't know. Okay, cheers. And now this is linear again, but with the zoom at its maximum. The Hero 6 has zoom, little zoom, but it really acts quite well. And so we also have this option of zooming a little bit, and so we also can see the difference between using the linear mode without zooming, or using the linear mode with the zoom. So that's what we have. So we can check the differences wearing zoom or not compared to the other ones. Cheers. And this is the wide mode wearing the zoom. Also can be used the zoom in wide mode, and this is the wide mode with the zoom at its maximum. It looks lovely to me. Cheers.